roasted chicken with Coca-Cola. Ingredient: chicken, Coca-Cola, cabbage, salad, cucumber, and oysters. For the first, we need to clean the chicken and vegetable that are cabbage, salad, and cucumber. We have to clean it around 2 or 3 times to make sure it's clean. After that, we have to stain the chicken with oyster sauce. We put in the oyster sauce. We can put salt, sugar, and chicken powder and mix it together. Mix it well as much as you can to make our chicken. Moreover, don't forget to put kaffir, lamb leaf, and lemongrass. Moreover, don't forget to pour our Coca-Cola into our roasted chicken. After that, we have to put it on a gas and cook it around 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Around 10 minutes, you can put a cabbage into your chicken roasted chicken. It makes your chicken more softer and more delicious. After we put our cabbage into the pot, we also have to roast it around 30 minutes or 12 minutes. During this time, we can make gokong dipping sauce to eat with the chicken, or we can chop vegetable like cucumber and salad. After 30 minutes, you can take a look for your chicken. It looked delicious, and the cabbage is make our chicken softer. Roasted the chicken is depend on the chicken, whether your chicken is cooked well or it's not yet ready to eat.
2,000 years later.
Now our chicken is ready to eat, and we put it on our plate. And let's enjoy our roasted chicken with Coca-Cola. The chicken is ready for us to enjoy our lunch and dinner. Here is the result for roasted chicken with the Coca-Cola. You can enjoy it with your family or during party.